give away, give away, give away, give away. Well, anyway, we have a winner. First one out there. Giveaway for this year, season 4. What we're trying to do is make sure that you guys are giving something to say thank you to you. All you need to do is make sure that you're subscribed. That would be one of the main things. The second thing would be, hey, you need to be in the US. I'm not shipping it all over the world, I'm sorry, right? The US, right? Lower 48 is preferable. I will go a little bit over and say Hawaii and all 50 states inside the United States. That would be Hawaii and Alaska included. Not shipping it to Guam, but shipping it to the Philippines. I'm not sure what the cost difference would be for now. So let's just say just the 50 states, all right? So we have a winner right here. They know who they are and they're getting this. We're shipping it over this weekend. It's gonna be fantastic. This is a Misen chef's knife. To me, you only need 3 knives. Chef's knife is a guarantee. That's why they actually call it a chef's knife. Paring knife, which is normally for delicate stuff. And then of course, or small stuff that you need to manage. Of course you need a serrated knife for, I don't know, the yummy breads or stuff that you need to saw through. Chef's knife, slice and chop. Sawing would be the serrated. Those you can't non-professionally sharpen. And then of course the paring knife, which you can sharpen along with the chef's knife. Those 3 knives are the knives that you need to have. Misen's is one of the best brands out there for it, right? Reasonably priced, beautiful looking. I can't wait for our winner to have this. So anyway, like, subscribe, share, win with B.F.A.M. Talk to you later.